Hey everybody, this is Jesse and Ken here with St. Joe Harley Davidson, and we're going to give you a few tips for checking your tires because riding season is coming and we have all kinds of specials coming out. So first thing we want to do is you want to check that tire tread depth, and the way you measure it on a motorcycle is you want to check right in the center. You can use a Harley Davidson tire depth indicator, or if you don't have that, a penny works just fine. You use Mr. Lincoln's head and stick it right in the center, and if that tread does not come up to the top of his head, it's time for a new tire.
While you're down checking that tire, if you see right here on the tread, you'll see some weather cracking. Weather cracking is never a good deal. You may see some of the tread starting to peel. That's normally a good indicator that it's time to change the tire. Once these tires get hot, the weather cracking starts to spread, you could have a blowout.
Not a good thing. Another thing you want to check out is you want to check for any irregular wear. You can kind of see on the side of this tire how it did some cupping. So cupping kind of goes and comes like that, and when you're riding it'll make it real bumpy, and that's not a safe way to ride. So you just always want to make sure, maybe run your hand down it to make sure you don't have any cupping, and just keep your eye on that tread.
Once you've checked that you have no weather cracking, that your tire's not cupped, that you have proper tread depth, you want to make sure that your tire pressure is correct. You'll use your tire pressure gauge. You will check the front, make sure it's 38. You will check the rear, make sure it's 40. And once you've got all that, if you need to add more, you can. If not, then you are good to go. If you have any of these problems or you feel that it's time for new tires, come on in. March is going to be our tire special. You can buy tires here at St. Joe Harley, and we will mount and balance for free for the whole month of March.
Or if you're tired of riding the piece of crap that you have, you can bring that thing out, trade it in, get a new one, because this Saturday for our leap year special, we're doing 2.99% interest rate. So come on out to St. Joe Harley Davidson and see us.
See you then.